Hi folks, I'm Larry from Dr. M Enterprises Handyman Services here on the east side of Oahu, where I work, live, and play. Today's project is the Mid-Pacific Country Club's post-restoration project. Here are the tools and materials needed for the job. Here are pictures and titles of the tools. These metal posts had rusted away from the salt air and the bad weather here, and they've been replaced, and they're to be encased in wood so they look like the rest of the building. Here I've started the wooden surface to be put around the posts and then refinished to match the rest of the building. So you can see at the top it's been taken apart some for the posts to be mounted. Once I got the framework around the post, it's being painted. I'm painting it the same color as the rest of the building. This is the second post on the other side. I've got part of the framework around it. I'm going to take you around the other side so you can see the metal post inside and see how it looks. You can see the reddish brown primer on the post in the middle there. It'll get covered with wood on the other side, leaving a little gap to leave a little divot in each corner. I use butyl caulk around the bottom to keep the water out from them. And then this one will get painted just like the other side. Now it's got the back side on it, so it's ready to paint now. On this side, I attached the electrical to the post, so it's ready to go for their operation. Please subscribe if you have the will to.